From Goodman-Brown's thoughts in the passage, you can conclude that he is A. about to do something Faith would not like, B. going to do Faith a favor, C. worried about Faith being alone, or D. going to change his mind and stay home. We see in his thoughts at the end of the text that he thinks, "Methought as she spoke there was trouble in her face, as if a dream had warned her what work is to be done tonight. But no, 'twould kill her to think it." Based on these thoughts, we can conclude that Goodman-Brown knows whatever it is he's planning on doing, Faith would not be happy about this. As he tells us, it would kill her to think it. Therefore, going to do Faith a favor can be eliminated. Going to change his mind and stay home can be eliminated as well, as nowhere in his thoughts does he make mention of this idea. We are left with about to do something Faith would not like and worried about Faith being alone. Although Goodman-Brown does say, "What a wretch am I to leave her on such an errand," nowhere does he make mention of specifically being worried about her being alone. Therefore, C can be marked off, and we can mark A, about to do something Faith would not like, and a clear reflection of Goodman-Brown's thoughts as our final answer.